Good morning students. I am your English teacher Irshad. Today I have to teach you a chapter titled Iswaran the Storyteller. This is the chapter which I have to teach you today. This chapter has been written by R.K. Lakshman. R.K. Lakshman, he belongs to India and he is a famous story writer. He is a famous novelist. Also, he has different type of quality. He has also written many work of art. Through this very story, author is trying to tell us, author is trying to give us message that really in this very world we are not perfect if we have not the support of our friend. Means there is a beautiful quotation that a friend in need is a friend indeed. That very quotation is going to be perfect in this very story. Means if we are in the contact of our friend, then it may be that our friend will be helpful for us in different way. So now come to the point. Here in this very story there is a character and the name of that very character is Iswaran. Actually Iswaran is a character who is playing the role of a cook. Iswaran is a character who is playing the role of a cook. He has idea how to cook the food materials betterly, and also he has idea how to wash the cloth, how to make the house very neat and clean. Means household related idea this Iswaran had. Again in this very story there is a character and the name of the character is Mahendra. M-A-H-E-N-D-R-A, Mahendra. Mahendra is a character and this is a character who is a junior supervisor. Mahendra is a character who is a junior supervisor at different construction sites. Mahendra is unmarried. He is unmarried and his working skill is best. Due to this he has ability to get job in any company. So time to time he try to change his companies. If he is working in a company, he is getting some amount, and if he realize that there is no hope of promotion in this very company, once again Mahendra try to join in other company. So due to this he is changing the place. Mahendra and Iswaran, they both live together, and also Mahendra has ability to earn money while Iswaran has ability to cook food material to give his best service to Mahendra. Due to this, wherever Mahendra is going, Mahendra try to take Iswaran with him and they both are living together. So as a result here, Iswaran is not only working just like a cook, but he is also playing the role of a friend. He is also playing the role of a storyteller. Means whenever a person becomes puzzled, then at that very time the person want to see movie, the person want to see TV serial, or the person want to read a story, etc. But here Mahendra has ability, Iswaran has ability to tell the story, and even the story is untrue. The story has nothing to do with the reality, but the story is told by Iswaran in such a way that it seems that the story is 100% right, and the method of speaking, the method of explanation, the body language, gesture, posture, everything is perfect in Iswaran. Due to this, the story creates suspense. And in this very situation, whoever person is listening, that will person realize that the story must come to end. If only half part of the story is told by Iswaran, once again Mahendra realizes that the remaining part must be told by Iswaran. So once again Mahendra also requests Iswaran that we have to complete. Now according to this very story, there is a elephant, and that elephant was living in the forest. When that very elephant lose its mental ability, then after that the elephant entered in the town. And when elephant was coming in the town, elephant created different types of unhappy situations for the people. People started to cry, people started to become fearful, and that very elephant entered in that very school in which Iswaran was reading. So whole the school management, students, teachers, they all became fearful and they all locked themselves in the room. And Iswaran and students and teachers, they all were on the roof of the building. So from there everybody was watching the elephant who was disturbing, who was bringing distractions to the school. So at that very time, Iswaran took a stick and he came from the stairs to the ground and he moved towards the elephant. When he was moving toward the elephant, it seemed that elephant would attack on Iswaran. But Iswaran did not become fearful, and with the help of his stick, he hit on the toe of the elephant. Due to this, elephant became fearful, and once again elephant was totally silent on that very place, and after some time elephant became unconscious and he was fall down on the ground. Here the story was only half part told by Iswaran, and then after that Iswaran told that now I have to serve you food material. So he departed from that very place. Once again when he came with the food material, after serving the food material to Mahendra, Mahendra requested him that he has not completed the story and he should complete it. Then after that Iswaran started the story and he said that after that the veterinary doctor was called, doctor started the treatment, and the elephant came into conscious mode and a Mahavat was called. Then after 2 days that elephant was once again left in the forest. So the story of elephant is here, but due to his special variety of cooking habit, one day he cooked the best food materials, and on that very day Mahendra was telling that really the food material is very good, and once again at that very time Iswaran started to speak about a ghost. He said that the place, the construction site where we both are living, this is a burial ground. This is not a proper place, but actually this is a burial ground, because when we came here I saw that there were many skeletons lying on the place, and he did not fearful, and Iswaran was told by Mahendra that now he had not any type of faith in this very ghost story, in this very ghost-like statement. Then Iswaran was continued and he said that on full moonlit night he saw that a lady appeared, and that very lady had an unborn baby in her hand. And that very lady was looking very fearful. So after listening this, Mahendra became very angry, and then the story was stopped there. And every day the system which was going on, that was also continued. Means Iswaran was cooking food material, Iswaran was maintaining the house, Mahendra had the food material, he rested, he was listening the story, and after getting the food material he departed for his office, for his construction site. And one day Mahendra started, from that very day Mahendra started to peep out through the window at night when there was full light, but he did not saw anything. One day he saw that a shadow of lady was visible, and in the hand of the lady something was available. So this, after watching this, Mahendra became fearful, and at that very time some sound was also coming, and due to fearful situation, Mahendra once again back to his bed. He slept. Next day when he woke up, then he tried his best to forget the situations, but after serving the food material, Iswaran reminded him that actually Mahendra had no faith about the ghost story, but last night really Mahendra had saw the presence of ghost through his eyes, through his naked eye, then it seems that here is presence of ghost. Mahendra had the food material and he departed to his construction site. When he came back, then after that he left that very place. He resigned that job. He resigned from the job and he left the place and he departed for somewhere else. So here a story gives us message that if we are unable to realize about the coming danger for us, and if anybody is telling, then we must try to have faith on other people. Otherwise, maybe that we will have to face. So this is the story from my side, and also this Iswaran, he knew the art of martial art of karate. Martial art of karate. Actually, this very art Iswaran learned from a book, and this martial art of karate that was especially performed in Japan. And with the help of this very martial art, Iswaran was successful to hit on the elephant. And his method of storytelling, that was superb, that was creating suspense time to time. So if we want to create some entertainment, then we will have to apply our method, apply our techniques, apply our change our facial expression, change our gesture and posture, method of telling the story. We will have to create the suspense. Then after that, anybody will be eager to listen us. Not only anybody, but everybody will be eager to listen us. So this is from my side for today. That's all. Thank you.